Hello everyone, welcome once again to this channel, and today we will learn about a new topic. So in the last slide we have learned so many things related to the landscaping in different public places. So today we will learn about the pot plants. Okay, so in this we will discuss more on the selection, arrangement and management. So firstly we will discuss about selection. So we'll discuss now, so that is selection. So in many cultivation this is very common, selection. Okay, whether it's a plant selection or like selection according to the climatic condition. Okay, climatic condition को देख के आप plants को select करते हो या फिर like different. So now we'll discuss about it. So firstly is when choosing pot plants, okay, pots for plants, we have to be creative. थोड़ा creative होना पड़ेगा when we choose. So try anything from old boots to that 16th century Boracua, or you just had to have इसमें मतलब what they want to say is you can use any like this Boracua ur is one type of pot, okay, and then like it's a heart, and like it is hard, like you can see here in the second picture, that is Boracua ur, and it is like thick. Okay, it is thick, and then here you can choose it for like potting plants. Okay, and like just about anything can be used as a pot. Which way you can use like any container which is like a pot, like its structure, so you can use that for plants, providing it drains well. Like it should drains well. Root will rot, because see, you have to choose also that type of pots where like drainage can happen, because like you can notice like there are pots like see in the picture here. I think it's not here in this oh yes, this one you can see here, the third picture. Yes, here there is a hole, right? So it is good for the drainage. If there is so much like if you irrigate, अगर ज़्यादा पानी डाल दिया भी तो कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ से drain हो जाएगा, right? It will come out from here, the water. So so that's why it is important, and so that the root, जो आपका root है वो नहीं सरेगा, and it doesn't get too hot sitting in the sun also. If the pot you select doesn't have enough drainage or hole, make sure to drill. अगर hole नहीं है, okay, उसमें जो आपका pot है, so you can drill कर सकते हो, उस पे मतलब बना सकते हो, you can make. And then especially अगर वो plastic का है तो it is easy to make, but if it's like made out of like this one जो second picture है, तो it might be a bit hard. So if you like see, if you can't drill also ना, if you can't drill, अगर drill नहीं कर पाओगे, so you can sometime work around this by planting in a separate pot. Like okay, कुछ दिनों के लिए उसमें प्लान करो, उसके बाद then you can repot it to another, like you can take the plant जो आपका प्लान है उस pot में जहाँ पर ड्रेनेज नहीं हो रहा है, फिर उसको बाद में you can plant in another pot. Okay, and so this you can do like this. So that's why it is really important. It is really important to drill. It is really important for drainage, so that your root won't rot. जो आपकी जड़ें हैं वो मतलब ना सरे, like it won't get rotten. Okay, और उसके बाद and then yeah, so that's why it is important. Okay, so this keep in mind. And when you select a pot, it is important to consider the size of the plant also. Okay, you have to consider the size of the plant, because you have to see if the variety is like if the variety of the plant, it is very like what I'll say, if it grow more, or if the root it spread more, okay, and your pot is small, so it's not good, it won't be good, and then the cultivation also won't happen nicely. जो cultivation भी है वो अच्छे से नहीं होगा अगर आप मतलब अच्छे selection नहीं करोगे, like together with the pot and the plant. So that's why selecting a pot, it is important to consider the size. Okay, firstly consider the size of the plants, or this one, the planting material that you will be growing. So these are some of the important point that you have to keep in mind. ये कुछ important point है जो आपको मतलब याद करना है. Okay, you have to keep this in mind, and yeah, that it should be always like moist also. And yeah, when selecting a pot, it is important to consider that one we already mentioned. And the size, it doesn't matter if the pot is too small, okay, and the plants will quickly become what, root bound. Like I said before, जैसे पहले भी बोला है कि when you choose a plant, then you have to see that how is the planting material. उसका root बहुत like it will have a very long rooting system, or how, right, जो उसका root system है. So you have to check all this, and then because if it's like that, then the soil won't be able to hold enough moisture, okay, between watering. So plants that are allowed to dry out or wilt will not be productive. So you get your potted crop off to a great start and keep them healthy with premium quality potting soil designed to provide root support, moisture retention, and healthy nutrients. These organic mixes will give you maximum result. So yeah, this is also one important point to remember, that because of this also, some people, what they do, they provide nutrients in your pot, right? They put some this one organic mix, जो organic mix है, okay, या फिर like healthy nutrients they apply in the pot, right? So that's why it's a need of this one also, of organic and healthy nutrients to mix. Okay, so these are some of the important points that you have to remember. Firstly, you have to choose a pot. Like, pot is not like, oh, I have to get a plastic pot only, after like wooden or anything. There are so many type of pots also. We will discuss it in in other times, but now like we will go more in detail in that. But now we have to talk about the intro and all, that we will understand more. So in this we have already discussed in this slide that when you choose a pot, like you have to be very creative. Like people who have a very creative mind, वो किसी से भी मतलब pots बना सकते हैं. Okay, whatever container also is there in your home, जो भी container आपके घर में भी है, वो उससे भी मतलब बना सकते हैं. They can make pot and they can just plant there. Okay, and they can just paint also. अगर आपका मतलब if you have a cup also, जो आपका cup है, चाय पीने वाला cup भी, वो भी pot बन सकता है. Like it can be a small pot, and there also you can do plantation, right? Just paint it and all. And if you have a bigger cup than that, so you can plant there also. So this one, you just have to have a creative mind. Okay, and yeah, drainage system is important. You have to have there should be a drainage system, like it should drain properly, otherwise the root will rot. Yeah, okay. So, and the size, okay, size of the plant. Okay, when you select the pot, so it is important to consider or to know, like जानना है कि वो जो variety है कितने तक मतलब how much it will grow. Okay, how much it will grow, उसका size कितना होगा और कितना मतलब उसका growing height है, right? So accordingly you have to choose. So this is some of the important intro, and then some points that you have to remember. So on the other hand, if the container is too large, your plant may spend all of the energy on root development and not enough on growth. Okay, तो अगर आपका जो pot है, okay, if the container or the pot is too large, then your plant may spend all the energy on the root development only. Okay, जो उसका energy है पूरा root development में चला जाएगा, and not enough on growth. ग्रोइंग में ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं होगा, ज़्यादा फोकस होगा कहाँ पर, रूट पे फोकस होगा. So according to the this one, West Virginia University Extension Service, so shallow rooted crops like what, like lettuce, then peppers, herbs and most annuals. Okay, जो ये यूनिवर्सिटी है, वेस्ट वर्जीनिया यूनिवर्सिटी extension service, like they have told this that जो shallow rooted crops है like lettuce, peppers, herbs and what, and most annuals, it need a planter at least 6 inches in diameter with an 8-inch soil depth, like you can see here in the first picture. Okay, so it's like almost vertical gardening. Okay, so yeah, so shallow rooted जो crop है, ये shallow rooted crop है ना, lettuce, जो lettuce है, pepper है, herbs है, और इसके सारे मतलब बहुत सारे annuals जो है plant, ये planter में at least 6 inch diameter में होना चाहिए. It should be 6 inch in diameter with an 8-inch soil depth. And the larger container, जो larger containers होते हैं like bushel, basket and half of whiskey barrel, okay, जहाँ पर like whiskey stock होता है. Okay, like in most of the foreign places they used to stock in the whiskey barrel, right? So you can see here the picture also, the first and the second picture, it is a whiskey barrel. So here this also you can do plantation here. Okay, see, it doesn't mean that you have to go to the market or anything. You can even get this also. You can just get it from your anyone like whom you know, okay, people, or you can just make it also if you can make. So like bushel, larger container, okay, other than pots. So like bushel, basket and half of whiskey barrel are perfect for growing what? For growing tomatoes, cucumbers and pole beans and what, most of the perennial crops. Okay, so pots and planters are available in different size. Okay, in different size it is available, size, not only size but also what, shapes and materials. So the pots and planters you can get it in the market in they are available in different size, shapes and material. And whatever type of container you select, consider the area. Okay, whatever type of container, जो भी container आप choose करते हो, select करते हो, so you have to even see the area also where it is to be used. Okay, कहाँ पर use करोगे और कौन सा plan use करोगे, so it will be fine or not, it will be good or not. So accordingly you have to choose whatever type of container you select. Consider the area, okay, consider the area where it will be used and plan accordingly. So this is some of the importance, okay, about like other than the pots, when you choose planter also, and you can choose planter also, and you can even choose this one, the bigger container, okay, for plantation if they have a very long rooting system. अगर उसका long rooting system है, so आप ये वाला आप भी use कर सकते हो. जो barrels है, जो planters है, you can use this. So it's really important. Okay, and this was according to whom? According to the, always remember, according to the West Virginia University Extension Service. Okay, and yeah, so there is one. So this is about the barrel, the pots, other than pots, the barrel and the planter. So we have discussed the two slides, and in that we have discussed many things, and there was one important point that I have mentioned before, that एक important point जो मैंने discuss किया था कि जब आप pot choose करते हो, Okay, this is about selection. Okay, so firstly we are discussing about the selection of the pots. So like I said, like you can choose any pot, right? You can choose any, but and it depends on your creativity. You can even choose this one, a cup, also cup that you use for drinking tea. You can even use that also. But yeah, one important point is there, that there should be a hole there, that उस पे मतलब छेद होना चाहिए ताकि ड्रेनेज हो. Okay, it can drain properly. अगर ज़्यादा irrigation भी हो गया, so the what, because of the presence of the hole, so the water will come out. So like this, the moisture also will be there, and rotten भी नहीं होगा, मतलब आपका जो ये है, जो जड़ें हैं वो मतलब सड़ेंगे भी नहीं. Okay, it won't be bad. And then we have mentioned about the other than pots, like what type of this one container you can use. You can use planter also, जो a bit vertical मतलब उसका जो look है थोड़ा vertical है. And then other than that, even जो barrels है, basket है, bushel basket, you can use that also. And even whiskey barrel for growing bigger plant like tomatoes, cucumber, right? And then which have long rooting system. So we have discussed that. So this is one important point that I wanted to mention, that is choosing a container in proper proportion to the size of the plant. Okay, you have to choose the container proper proportion to the size of the plant. Like you have to know the variety, and like I said before, that how much it will grow and all. And a container that is about 1/3, okay, 1/3 as tall as the plant. Okay, it should be what? 1/3 as tall as the plant. Measure from the soil line to the highest leaf, and this really work best. Okay, so this is what the important point and the tips that I wanted to give.